Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the simple and easy recipe Hara Bhara Kabab. Hara means green color. The vegetables in this recipe like the spinach, that's the palak, green peas, beans, green capsicum along with mint and coriander leaves gives it the hara color. You can also put some paneer along with the mashed potatoes while making the kebabs. Hara Bhara Kabab is mostly served as a starter in restaurants and at parties. It is served either with coriander and mint chutney or tomato ketchup. It can be deep fried or shallow fried on a tawa. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. Pan is now heated. Put a tablespoon of oil. Now put the garlic. The garlic has turned lightly brown. I'll put the green chilies. The ginger. I'm now putting the beans. I'm now going to put the green peas. Fry the vegetables on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now put the capsicum. This is cooked for about 4 minutes now. I'm now going to put the palak. I've blanched the palak and then put it into cold water. Fry a little. Now put the mint leaf and the coriander leaf. Give it a mix. Now I'm going to add the masalas. That's turmeric, chili powder, cumin powder, chaat masala, mix well. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix. Turn off the flame now. Allow the mixture to cool and then grind coarsely. The vegetables are now ground coarsely. I'm going to add the mashed potatoes. I'm putting the breadcrumbs now. And corn flour. Mix it well. Now I'm going to add the garam masala to this and a little bit of salt. Mix it nicely. I have kept the oil for heating now. I will be deep frying the kebabs. Apply some oil to the hand so that it will not stick. I'm going to now fry the kebabs. Oil is now heated. Here you go guys, Hara Bhara Kabab is now ready to be served. You can serve it with tomato ketchup or coriander and mint chutney.